It's easy to be intimidated when entering into the stock market for the first time, especially when you're looking at higher priced stocks like Tesla and Google. But with fractional investing, you can start with as little as $1. There's multiple platforms out there that will allow you to own just a piece of these top tier stocks, proving that the stock market is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone, including you. Think of fractional shares like splitting a pizza. Instead of you buying the whole thing, you're getting a slice. So in the world of stocks, this means you're just purchasing a piece of the stock rather than the entire share. Plus, there's an added bonus. If the share that you have a piece of pays out dividends, you'll get a fractional share of the dividends as well. Let's talk about 3 platforms that will allow you to purchase fractional shares today. So one of the leading companies or platforms in this space is Charles Schwab and their program Stock Slices. With the Stock Slices program, you can purchase shares of any of the companies within the S&P 500 with no trading commissions. The lowest amount that they'll let you purchase shares for is $5. Just for clarity, the S&P 500 is comprised of the 500 most prominent companies in the United States. So we're talking about household names like Tesla, Amazon, Apple. Next, we'll talk about another leader in this industry, which is Fidelity Investments with their Stocks by the Slices program. With this program, you'll have access to over 7,000 stocks and ETF with the entry point as low as $1. There's no commissions and no minimum balance. Having more options available gives you an opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio, but just keep in mind, the deeper you go, the more research you need to do. And last, we'll talk about Robinhood, which is actually a popular name in the fractional share space. They'll let you purchase them with no commission fees and also no minimum balance. So just a couple things, they don't offer bonds and their customer service has its limitations, but this still may be a good fit for you in your financial journey. You don't need a lot of money to start your stock journey. With as little as $1, you can start purchasing some of these top tier stocks today. So stay positive, keep grinding, you got this. If you like the content in this video, feel free to like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. Until next time.